Welcome back to Pree Dis. I'm your host, Kruddy. Now, we continue the show with highlights from the Tru Juice 5K run. Now, we spoke to a whole bunch of people there. Now, we have all the highlights.
First staging of our 5K run, walk, and cycle event. We decided to come up with an event that would go with our flagship brand, which is the Tru Juice premium quality juice, and decided why not put it through our orange groves. A lot of persons are very interested to see what an orange grove look like. You know, the kids who are participating would probably like to see how it's grown, and we have it here. We want public to see that we do have our oranges from Jamaica. We're 100% Jamaican, and that's why we came up with the event to have it right here on our groves.
Are you surprised it turned out today?
I'm actually very surprised. I had a figure in my head and we had surpassed that from Tuesday, and I'm very excited that most of persons actually come out. We do know that persons are close to the brand. We have over 1,200 participants between the run, walk, and cycle event, and I'm so happy that this is the turnout here today. So we have about 20 trophies and 180 medals to give out today.
Do you plan to make this an annual event?
After this staging, yes, it has to be an annual event. If not an annual, probably twice a year if we could do this, but a lot of work has been put into place to have this event here today, and we're very happy with the turnout that we're getting and, you know, the whole experience. So it's not just a regular 5K run. Persons are experiencing something different and new. It's really an off-road 5K, you know, cross-country run here today.
Well, obviously it's not about sales for you, it's about brand equity, brand awareness, and of course your social responsibility, right?
This is correct. We do have actually schools that we have invited within St. Catherine to participate free of cost. We actually went to 17 high schools in St. Catherine and offered them to come in. Today we have about 5 schools that are taking part from St. Catherine, and we do want to extend it for next time for other schools to probably put together a track team or a long distance running team to participate as well.
The atmosphere was pretty good, so it was a good race overall, and you know, I like the turnout as well.
How do you prepare for an event of this magnitude?
Well, you have to put in your mileage and you have to keep up the strength work as well, so, and also you have to average your speed and everything coming in, so, but the mileage is the key thing for this type of race.
So we're leaving the 5K run and it's no time for the lifestyle feature of the week. Of course, we always have something hot on Pree Dis.
Up in a one spot. Walk out, make everybody see your body. When your favorite song drop, broke out cause you no cater to nobody. You know own no girl, and you know have no girl clothes. So next time when the video man pass, walk up in the light and pose. Girl, your body gooder than gold mine. Walk up and down and wine. Girl, you know you are the man sunshine. Walk up and down and wine. Hey girl, it's not a boring time. Like Shelly, Olympic time. Walk up and down and wine. What you tell them? 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 He say, bounce when you feed the girl them again. Anytime you wanna jump a problem again. He say, another girl anthem again. When girl a dash out, we a grab them again. When them a no want see the girl them a broke out. Mind to the door, tell the boy them come out. Sing for the girl them a know say you look damn good and your body no done out, girl. Body gooder than gold mine. Walk up and down and wine.
So right now we know that the Gap Cafe is what's happening in Jamaica, but what's happening in the Caribbean? That's why we have the Caribbean buzz. Let's check out the whole Caribbean and see what's going on.
Inside the Caribbean buzz, Antigua and soca reggae artist Cello is back on the scene with 2 new tracks, Gothic Jam and Time Out. He is set to compete in the Antigua Soca Monarch Groovy and Up-Tempo competitions. Born in Jamaica, Cello moved to Antigua 16 years ago. Still in Antigua, Ricardo Drew is the breakout star this Antigua Carnival season. His smash hit Dreamin' featuring Drastic is taken from his current album Dreams of My Reality. Now, Dominican reggae artist Colton T has been hailed by top website DominicanNewsOnline.com as one of the hottest male artists in the country. Still in Dominica, Stronger by reggae singer Jacure is currently one of the most played reggae songs in that country. That's it for the Caribbean Buzz.
Remember, the summer is now up on us. A whole bunch of parties to explore this summer, and one I'm pushing is Ecstatic Fridays from now every Friday until July 12. We're going for a third and final commercial break. Remember, we're here at the Gap Cafe, and if you're not here, you're missing out. Right here on Pree Dis. Soon come back.